Hey guys, this is DSM. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving and Black Friday. I just wanted to make this video because I saw this video about real estate today and I decided to talk about a couple of points about this and just pay attention to this video for a few seconds.
So how many bathrooms are in the house?
21,
21. How many bedrooms?
12.
12.
Yeah.
38,000 square feet. One helicopter. Helicopter comes with it?
Yep.
Got it. Perfect.
So this is a $188 million mansion in California. So I watched it. It's published a month ago. I watched it today and I said, wait a minute, I saw this mansion before and I was right. It was a $250 million. If you just search $250 million house, you see this mansion. It featured in ABC, CNBC, where, no, not CNBC, probably in CNBC as well. Too many uh, networks, they send their reporters to this mansion, and it was a year ago when they priced it on $250 million, and in less than a year they dropped $62 million, and now it's 188 million. So that tells you, don't think real estate is something that you can invest and the price is always go higher. And if you have a good piece of land in the best uh, place in California, you can sell it and people would buy it. Look at this.
Hi, I'm Sean Elliott, President, Sean Elliott Luxury Homes and Estates. Today, we are at 924 Bel Air Road in spectacular Bel Air, California.
So this was a
I
year
want to
ago.
introduce you to the owner
He talked to the owner and
developer, Bruce Mikowski.
Hey, Sean, how you doing? Great to see you.
Great seeing you too, Bruce.
How about the weather?
so he invested in this piece of land, and now after a year he dropped it to 188. So just pay attention to the analogy these two real estate agents talk about when they want to say how good is real estate.
You know Mark Cuban, right?
Yes.
So Mark Cuban has a $350 million boat. Okay, he's going to use it 8 times. All right, and he lives in a $30 million house.
Sure.
So, Paul Allen, $400 million boat, lives in a $25 million house.
Sure.
Doesn't make sense, right? So
Right.
you have a boat, let's say is worth 350. The first time you go into the Mediterranean, that boat is worth 300 million.
Sure.
After 5 years, it's worth 150, and after 10 years, that boat's worth $50 million. You buy a house in the Platinum Triangle, anywhere, right? Bel Air, Beverly Hills, Holly Hills, and you look at any 10-year period of time, and at the end of the day, residential real estate in the Platinum Triangle has outpaced the Dow Jones and the S&P 500.
Sure.
So, like, you get to live at your asset, enjoy your asset. Like, what's better than this, right? It comes with 7 of the staff. So, you know, if you're a guy.
So I hope you enjoyed that joke as much as I did, because that was a nice joke. And if you talk to these real estate agents, they say similar jokes every time. And when I talk to them, they make me laugh, and that's fun when you talk to them because they say two things. If you buy real estate, it goes higher and higher, and you would be a millionaire very soon. And if you, for example, invest in real estate uh, because there is no enough land and we don't produce land, there is no way for that investment to grow. But as an example, you see this uh, piece of land was priced on $250 million a year ago, and now it dropped to 188, $62 million, which is 25% drop in 1 year. And I believe the owner is smart enough, who knows he has to drop the price, he has to take the loss and get out. I don't want to talk about the problems, fundamental problems with their business model, because that's not the point of this video. However, I just give you a couple of points about that, because I work with around 35 startup companies in past 3 years. I had this discussion with all of these companies that I was working with, and I was telling them the problem with entrepreneurs is they think if they make a good product, if they build something, if they have a great value proposition, somebody would buy it. But in this example, you see it's not like that. Nobody comes to buy this. And the worst problem they have for selling this piece of property or this product, I would say, is launching the worst marketing campaign that I have ever seen. I don't want to go through the details, but just telling you, they put these videos and this property in every single network around the world. Oh, this is another one. They talked about this property in networks in China, in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, and I was shocked. I was like, what are you doing? Are you not, don't you want to sell your property? Why are you doing this? Anyway, that was not my problem, that was their problem. But the point, let's go back to the main point I was about to tell you. Real estate is like other businesses. In order to be profitable, it depends on too many factors, and you have to think about every single pieces in your business model. You have to think about your customer, you have to think about how much money are you investing, you have to basically think about the value proposition, you have to think about marketing, whatever you want. These are the most important things about every single business. So I just wanted to show you another small thing. So basically it was the time one of these agents was talking about how the other one can help him to sell this property. Anyway, that shows how desperate they are to take that loss and sell it at least for this price. So those who are in our channel, in our trading platform we have in Daily Stock Money chat room, you know this is exactly like trading stocks. You have to know what company are you buying, why are you buying that company, what's your plan, when you want to get out, if things go wrong like this situation, where is your bottom line, how you can get out. So all of these things are important. I think it was here. He was telling Sorry, I'm laughing because this when I saw this video, I I it reminded me the similar conversations I have and I had with my clients.
We'll put whatever wines or spirits that we want in there.
Sure.
If you want Screaming Eagle, we'll fill the place with Screaming Eagle, whatever it is.
He was telling him, if you bring a customer here and whatever they want, we fill it out with that type of wine or drink, whatever. And so it was like a joke because the clients comes here and wants to drop 188 M. He knows how to fill out this, and he would do that by himself. He would order his staff to come here and destroy all of this and set it up. You don't need to fill this salary for them. So that was funny. I just wanted to share this video with you. And next time, I want to talk about trading and a stock market and why investing in a stock market and trading is safer and more profitable than real estate. So, in order to not miss that video, subscribe to my channel. Go to Daily Stock Money DSM channel, subscribe, hit this notification bell, and watch other videos to learn how to trade in stocks. That was it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. See you all in the chat room on Monday. Have a good one. Bye.